I'm Sarah, professional makeup artist and licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you some tips on how to put on eyeshadow. What you're going to need include a blending brush, similar to this one, a round flat brush, and one or more angled brushes. You're going to start with your round flat brush, and you want to choose the lightest color eyeshadow that you're going to use. And I'm going to choose this nice white. I'm going to put it right over her brow bone. Now this is going to act as a nice base for us, as well as highlight her brow bone. Next, I'm going to use my angled brush and apply a medium shade hue. I'm going to use this Metallica Silver that we have. And I'm going to apply this all over her eyelid. I'm going to start on the inside and work my way towards the outer crease. And now with this step, you can get it up into the crease because we're going to put a darker shade there next. So it'll actually help the two blend together nicely. Okay. Then I'm going to move on to my darker shade, which is like a shimmery black, and just use a very teeny bit my brush. I'm going to get that right in her crease, all the way out in her crease, and maybe even a little bit above. Then I'm going to come back in with my blending brush and just start blending very light, short circular motions to make sure that the lid color, crease color, and brow bone color blend nicely together. So I like to start from the inside and work my way out. Okay. For more tips on how to put on eyeshadow, you can check out glowbysarah.com.